Once we have finished with the representation, we will proceed to the design of the map itself. In the project map, we look for the new print layout. We fill in the name, for example, map, and confirm. A new window opens with a sheet in the middle that represents the sheet where we printed the map. We can also see a series of icons that facilitate access to the functions, and on the right side, we can consult the properties of the map elements. With a right click on the sheet, we can modify its properties such as orientation or size. The most important menu is Add Item. There, we select Add Map and draw the area we want the map to occupy on the sheet. We are not going to use the entire sheet so that we have space for other elements such as the title. The map is displayed on the sheet and we can modify its properties. For example, the scale, which must be 1 million. If the map does not fit properly in the frame, we increase its size to make it fit. We activate the lock layers and lock styles for layer boxes so that the map remains as it is. The next item is the legend. We introduce it from the Add Item menu. It is displayed on the map with all the elements that could be seen in QGIS and the original. We can modify it. We start in the column section, increasing their number to 3. We go up in the form and deactivate the Auto Update box. In this way, we can now modify the text and labels in the legend. With a double click on the list, we open the editor and modify the text. We select the lakes in the list, and with the red minus button, we delete it. We modify the names of the municipal legend groups. And also modify their values, substituting the first and last intervals for the highest or lowest values. In the font section, we modify the font, its size, and color. We move the legend on the map and deactivate the background box. Now we are going to add the title. We place it at the top of the sheet using the Add Label command. We modify the text and the font and its properties. We continue with the scale bar, also in the Add Item menu. We draw it in the lower right corner. We modify its height, font, and color. We try not to use black, a dark grey is much better. The map is thus lighter and does not waste as much ink. Now we add north arrow and modify its color as well. North should always be beside the scale. These two elements are essential in every map. We will end by adding a label again. It will describe the source, the projection, and who made the map. We can also add an image such as a logo of the university or our association. We can reduce the opacity for it so that it does not attract more attention than necessary. Once we have the composition ready, we select the Export as Image icon and save our map in JPEG format. There are also possibilities to export in SVG or directly in PDF.